Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. So today's video is actually part of one of my 31 days of Halloween videos. So yeah, if you want to see how I've achieved this look, what I've used, etc., then stay tuned. Also, don't forget to check out my other Halloween videos if you're looking for some creative or weird makeup. Okay, let's get on with it. So I've started off by doing all the little boring things off of camera. This was my first time applying a bald cap, so it's not the best, and yeah. If you're going to do this, I'd suggest looking at a tutorial of how to apply a bald cap, which I should have done. But anyway, I've used liquid latex to put my ears on and used liquid latex for the bald cap and added in my contact lenses. So yeah, let's get on to doing this makeup and have a little bit of fun. My inspiration behind this look was the fact that everyone seems to think I'm an alien, so because it's my own sort of alien, I'm going to make it a purple alien. So I've mixed together my purple and white and I'm pretty happy with this colour. So now I'm just going to apply it all over. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry for a little bit and then powder over it. So to powder over it, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's translucent powder, and I'm going to use a massive brush. Like seriously, how big is this brush? If you're planning to go out for Halloween with this sort of look on, ask someone to paint the back of your bald cap so you're not normal coloured. So for my contouring, I'm going to start off using the Alien palette and going with Black Hole, bringing that lightly from the ears downwards. Going to take the Electrified palette from Evil Eye Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this bluey tone right here. Then I'm going to take this super hot pink and dab that in as well. Then I'm going to take this blue and bring it along my jawline. Going to go back in with that hot pink. So now I'm going to take the Cheekits Rise and Pop palette, blue here, and put that next to that hot pink. Then going to bring this dark purple down into the middle. Also going to take that purple onto the outer edges. Just give my ears a bit of black at the tops and just do a bit of contouring on my nose. Going to take my P. Louise base and apply that to my eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with Flying Saucer on the outer edges. Then I'm going to take Abduction and pack that on in the middle. Taking a little bit of Moon Rock and putting that between Flying Saucer and Abduction. Then I'm going to take Alien, which is this one, and put that next to Moon Rock. Going to take some Black Hole and bring that underneath my eyes. For my lips, I'll be using a mix of Sugar Pills, Euphoria, and Spank. And now I'm adding a little bit of Spank in the middle. Also going to add a little bit of liquid eyeliner to my upper lashes. Then I'm taking Area 51 and doing the same thing. Taking the Cheeky Bits palette now and using the blue there again. Randomly splashing it around everywhere. And the pink tones. Going with a bunch of different shades. Now I'm just going to think pink. And then taking that hot pink from the Electrify palette and putting that in there as well. Now I'm going to take some white face paint and do some freckly type stars around my face. So we're going to add a couple little dots into the contour area. I'm going to use some highlighter. Unicorn Tears from the Too Faced Lesser Festival palette. Also adding a little bit of that highlighter on my forehead. Because why not? And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more 31 Days of Halloween.